So here's an example problem for number 12. On number 12, you actually have two different ones you have to write a perimeter for. I'm only going to give you one example because it's still the same process. So here we kind of have a funky shape, and the directions say to write an equation for the perimeter. So you should know that if you want to find perimeter of everything, then you need to add up all of our sides. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to start adding these up. So this side is x plus, because I'm adding, plus, so I've done this one, the 3 plus 2x. I just keep adding these along. The next side is plus x minus 2. This one's done. This next side right here is plus 10 plus 2x. So you might notice these kind of get long equations because we have a lot of sides. That one's done. The next side is just x. After that we have plus 3 plus 2x. This next side is plus x minus 2. And then the last side we have here is 10 plus 2x. All of these are being added together. So one step that will make this easier, if we go ahead and start by combining our like terms. But a lot of people forgot that, they tell me what the perimeter is. So when I add up all my sides, I have to set it equal to what the perimeter is, which in this case is 70. Alright, so it looks kind of jumbled. We're going to combine our like terms first. So I'm going to start by getting all my variables in the same color. So I have x plus 2x plus x plus 2x here plus an x here plus 2x plus x plus 2x. So all of those together, all I have to do is add them up. So I have 1x plus 2x, so that gives me 3, plus another x is 4, plus 2 more, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12. So I have 12 total x's. Alright, and then after this, I can go ahead and look at my other numbers, which I don't really have to circle, but it might help you. So I have positive 3 minus 2, so that gives me 1. Plus 10 gives me 11. Plus 3 gives me 14. Minus 2 gives me 12. Plus 10 gives me a positive 22. And that is still equal to 70. So from this point on, getting all of this combined together looks like a lot. But once you combine it together, it's going to be a lot easier. So I can start by splitting my equation and circling my like terms. So 12x is the only one with a variable. And I have positive 22, positive 70. Those are both constants. So these two that are squared in black, those two have to be combined. Cannot move my 70 because the entire right side is blank. So I gotta move this positive 22. I move a positive number by subtracting. So I know on this side, if I turn that room, I have 12x is equal to 70 minus 22, which gives me 48. So at this point, it turns into a one-step equation, and I have 12 is being multiplied with x. So if something is being multiplied together and I want to tear it apart, break it down, I need to divide on both sides. I'm always dividing by the number that's touching the variable because I know that will cancel to 1. So I have x equals 48 divided by 12, which gives me 4. So actually, if you look at number 12, in your test number 12 just wanted you to write the equation. Number 13 wanted you to solve. So this equation or this video will count for 12 and 13.